Hello students, class 6 subject mathematics, chapter 3 playing with number, and the topic is factors and multiples. Suppose you have total 6 marbles with you, and I said you have to arrange them in such a way that each row has same number of marbles. You have to arrange them in proper manner in such a way that all marbles, number of marbles in each row have the same. So you have started that, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have arranged one type, that is the total number of rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 rows you have arranged in them one marble in each row. It is 6 multiply 1. Another way can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 1 row and the number of marbles are 6. It could be right 1 multiply 6. Another way to rearrange these marbles are 1, 2, 3. Total number of marbles 3 in one row. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 marbles in another row. So total 3 number of rows are there 2 and number of marbles are there 3. 2 multiply 3. Similarly, we can arrange them 2 marbles in each row. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, total number of marbles 2. Is there any other way we can keep this all marbles in such a way that the number of marble has equal in each row? Obviously, it is not possible. Only these are the possible way to rearrange these marbles in such a manner that each row has same number of marbles. So these are, this is 1, this is another one, 2, this is third one, this is fourth one. 1 multiply 6, 6 multiply 1, 2 multiply 3, 3 multiply 2. All we can say that these all numbers, from this we can get it that 1, 2, 3 and 6. These 6 are exactly divided by the total number of marble, and that is 6. We have the total number of marble 6, and these number 1, 2, 3 and 6, these numbers are exactly divided by 6. Means these numbers are divisor of 6. Therefore, these numbers 1, 2, 3 and 6 are called factors. Factors of 6. These are the called factor of 6. This way you can able to get it any numbers factor. For example, suppose we have another number, that is 8. 8 can be rearranged in another way. That can be, we can say, 8 can be total number of 8 rows in one marble. One row in 8 marbles. 2 rows in 4 marbles. 4 rows in 2 marbles. So these are the numbers. Out of this we can say that 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are exactly divisible, exactly divided by 8. means 1, 2, 4 and 8 are divisor of 8. So these are called the factor of 8. Here you can see another number, suppose 10. 10 could be, right, 1 multiplied 10, 10 multiplied 1, 2 multiplied 5, 5 multiplied by 2. That means these are give us 1, 2, 5 and 10. So these are called the factor of 10. Now we can find out any numbers factor from this manner. So factors are the number which are exactly divisor of that numbers. Similarly, another things that is called the multiples. We know the table of 2, we can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 in such a manner. We are just writing this, that is equal to 2. This is 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2. 8 could be right 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Similarly, 10 could be right 5 times of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 could be right 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus in this manner. So this 2 is multiple of itself. That is 2. How many times 2's? 2's come 2 times. So 2 2's are 4. 2 2's are 4. Similarly, this 3, 2 3's are 3 times. While we add 2, add itself 3 times, then it gives us 6. So 2 3's are 6. 2 4's are 8. Similarly, 2 5's are 10 and 2 6 are 12 and so on. So these are the number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are the multiple of this 2. Multiple of 2. Multiples means that is which are number of times of that number. And factors we can say which are exactly divide with that number. So here I think you are able to understand there are number of multiples of every number. And if we talk about the factor, there are finite number of factors. Number of multiples are infinite of given number, and number of factors are finite number of given of number. So thank you.